The Garden Time Show has lots of great stories full of information, and as you're watching, you'll see a lot of details pop up on the screen. For example, at the beginning of each story, we give the location of our interview in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. We also give you the name of the person we are interviewing. During the story, we will give you the name of the plants, when we can. Sometimes there isn't time to name all the plants. We also include tips on the screen to help you with important points we're focusing on. At the end of the story, you will find web links and sometimes a phone number where you can contact our guest or their nursery to get more information. Now, some people have been known to watch the show with a pen and paper to write down all the information they see, but we have a suggestion that makes it easier. Simply go to gardentime.tv and then click on the This Week link. Then you can read a description of the story, click on the link to the featured business or nursery, or click on the video thumbnail and watch the story again. Missed a story from a previous show? Simply go to our archives and type in the topic. Watching the Garden Time Show can be fun and informative, and can make you a better gardener.